In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a video or GIF to customize your Google Chrome homepage. Personalizing your Chrome browser can make your web surfing experience more enjoyable and unique to your tastes. If you spend plenty of time on your computer, having an inspiring or just plain fun background can bring a little joy to your daily routine. Let's dive into how you can easily set this up. Firstly, when you open a new tab in Google Chrome, you'll want to direct your attention to the lower right corner of the tab. You're looking for a button labeled Customize Chrome. Clicking on this will open up a window where you can begin to infuse some personality into your browsing experience. Once you're in the customization menu, you'll see various options to tweak the appearance of your Chrome background. For our purposes today, you want to select Change Theme. This option allows you to move forward in setting up either a video or GIF background. It's the gateway to showcasing your favorite animated images or short videos every time you open a new tab. To use your chosen GIF as the background, you'll need to select Upload an Image. This action takes you to your File Explorer, where you'll be able to choose the specific file you want. Ensure your GIF file is saved somewhere easily accessible on your computer, as you'll need to navigate to it in the next step. Once you've clicked on Upload an Image, go ahead and browse through your files to locate the GIF or video that you want to see every time you open a new Chrome tab. Simply click on the desired file and hit Open. Google Chrome will take care of the rest and make that lively image your new homepage background. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Google Chrome homepage with a personalized GIF. Keep in mind, using animated backgrounds such as videos or GIFs can sometimes slow down the loading time of your new tabs, depending on your computer's capabilities, so be sure to choose a file that works well with your system's performance. And while in your customization journey, feel free to explore other themes or backgrounds until you find the perfect match for your mood or style. The beauty of this process is in its simplicity and speed, giving you the power to change things up whenever the mood strikes. Your browser is now not only a tool for accessing the vast ocean of online information, but also a canvas for your creativity and mood. Enjoy your new, invigorated browsing experience, and remember that you can always modify it again anytime you like. Feel free to let your creativity shine and choose whichever GIF that resonates with you the most. Have fun exploring and happy browsing.